A very warm welcome, viewers. Welcome to Business Notice. This is Kajol Sinha, and at present, I am with Nivrutri Rai, ma'am, who is the CEO of Invest India. So, ma'am, welcome to Business Notice. It's an immense pleasure to have you on our show. So, firstly, today, the Northeastern Regional Office has been inaugurated. So, what are the primary objectives?
The primary objective is to showcase Assam as a tremendous investment opportunity for foreign investors. So I look at Assam for technology. I'm very happy about the semiconductor packaging, but there are data centers, there are power. I'm really proud to say Northeast has 40% hydroelectric capacity, but can we do more? Can we get more into auto components? Can we do semiconductor IP? Can we do semiconductor design? I'm also excited about so much tea in Assam. Can we get a tea to be packaged for the world? We are already doing a lot of export, but can tea go into cosmetics? Can tea go into pharmacy? So all of those kind of things I feel is a tremendous opportunity for Assam. And I was very happy. This is my first trip, and I was really happy to see your airport so beautifully done up. That's the first impression somebody gets when they come. So you have everything, and I really loved the industry minister, Shri Bimal Boraji, also your chief minister. I think they are very excited about bringing investment, and therefore we have to set up an office such that I have a team that can be on the ground to facilitate. And I can be very happy to tell you that since July of 2023, we have got several $100 million opportunity and 100 million already facilitated. So I think, while India works towards doubling its economy by 2030, I think we are working together with the ministers to, ensure that Assam grows quadruple.
Okay. So, secondly, ma'am, I would like to ask you, how does the new Northeastern Regional Office align with Invest India's broader vision for economic growth in the region?
Uh, the Northeast office is part of Invest India. We are all one. We are working towards a single objective of how do we double India's economy, and Northeast has to quadruple. So we have to work harder to bring in more investments. And I really think that data centers is very critical, power is critical, semiconductor is critical, auto components, pharma is critical. So I'm looking forward to Assam to support us and help bring these investments. And my team, headed by Geetima here, is going to be very critical, because as investors come, they want to see Invest India present here.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving us your valuable time.
Thank you.
That's all for today. Keep watching Business Notice.